of duties and responsibilities. Employees of accounting functions are not assigned any custodial function. No single person has responsibility of completing a transaction all by himself. Fourth point, work performed by each one is expected to come under review of another. Fifth point, there should be evidence to identify person who has done the work. Last point, there is proper documentation and recording of transaction. Now comes checklist. This is a series of instructions or questions on internal control which the auditor must follow or answer. A checklist is a reminder to auditor about matters to be checked for testing internal controls system. इसमें एक्चुअली कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने जैसा है नहीं, इसलिए आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग देम आउट. फ्लो चार्ट. इट इज़ अ ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल. फ्लो चार्ट तो जानते ही फ्लो बहुत बार प्रिपेयर भी किया होगा. तो इट्स अ ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इंटरनल कंट्रोल in organization and is normally drawn up to show controls in each department. It provides most conscious way for reviewing internal controls. It gives a bird's eye view of system. A properly drawn up flowchart can provide a neat visual picture of whole activity of department. More specifically, it can show at what point a document is raised internally or received from external sources, number of copies in which document is raised or received, distribution of documents to various departments, checking authorization and matching, filing of documents, and final disposal by sending out instructions. Now, last topic of this chapter. इंटरनेशनल इंटरनल कंट्रोल फ्रेमवर्क्स क्या क्या है. कोसो फ्रेमवर्क है, कोको फ्रेमवर्क है, कोबिट है, सारबैंस है. कोविड नहीं है, कोबिट. COPIT. कोसो फ्रेमवर्क क्या है? It was actually introduced in 1992 as guidance on how to establish better controls so companies can achieve their objectives. ठीक है, 1992 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था कि 1992 में गाइडेंस इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था कि कैसे कंपनीज कैन अचीव बेटर कंट्रोल्स. सॉरी, हाँ ठीक है. How to establish better controls so companies can achieve their objectives. Now, what are the 5 components of COSO? Control environment, risk assessment,